They're little hexagons. They're tiny. Okay, look at my hand. They're not that big. They're non-magnetized on the sides. They're very light. They're very cheap. I would say $5 or less build quality, like dollar store quality. And there's 10 of them in there. The entire set is $85. So, other ones that are slightly more expensive only come with 6. But they're magnet. You can attach them through magnets on the side. These ones are just sticky pads. So there's probably a little PCB board. Back, it's just LEDs. In the middle is a motion sensor. So as I go along, I'll show you. And I really wanted to buy lights for my staircase because I painted my staircase a really dark color. And I feel like the staircase is too dark, so I'm trying to find ways to light it up, as well as making it kind of artistically appealing to visitors that come over. So 10 of these little guys is not going to feel like enough, so I'm probably going to end up having to buy another brand of hexagon lights, and I'll review those if I do get them. And another thing that really annoys me is that this is using white USB cables. So I got dark paint on my walls, and you're going to see these cables. Just to give you a heads up of how big these LED lights are. That's a can of NOS. So you kind of get the idea. And in the Photoshop picture on the advertisement on Amazon, you know, you see these, like, you can just tell they're Photoshopped, and it makes it look like, you know, these are a lot bigger than what they really are. It's deceptive. Okay. Just to give you a general idea what it looks like once plugged in. I mean, it's relatively bright. Like I said, I don't hate them. I just wish they were a little bit bigger. And I wish there were... see, my problem with reviewing things is I like to give a good review on something I feel like is better than what you paid for. But, I mean, it's not too bad on brightness. So I kind of restate my statement on that. And if you see right here in the middle, there's a little dark spot. You can barely see it. I don't know if you catch it on camera, but it kind of makes it look like a like a beehive, like the honeycomb. It looks like there's, like, in the middle of the egg, or where the larvae would be, and that's actually a motion sensor. So you touch it, it changes color, which is kind of cool. So this way, when people are going up the stairs, they can run their hand across it and change the colors. So I guess I don't know if 10 is going to be enough for these little guys, but I'll give you a demonstration once I get them all on the wall. Give you a little bit of an idea. Found the remote. Probably going to lose this real easily. I'm probably going to tape it to the wall. Or actually, I put a piece of Velcro on it and just Velcro it to the wall in hopes to keep it as long as possible. If this thing does have a brightness setting, it definitely earns some brownie points. It looks like there's a timer set on it too. Fucking up my gimbal. Oh, here's the sticky pads. Okay. Yeah, it's supposed to be 10. I see 8. Ah. They give you the exact amount. It says some extras. Not cool, guys. Just to give you kind of a rough idea of how this works. Those little triangular brackets. Kind of gimmicky, but regardless, neat, I guess. So I'm going to try to daisy chain a couple of these together just to see what it looks like. So I got this little mosaic going on here. Let's see. Not very sturdy at the moment. For sure, if you mount them on the walls, they become more sturdy. If you look at the triangles, I mean the bridge connectors, you can notice these little pegs, these little USB pegs, they act like a bridge. So once I plug in the USB, it has to be on the first one. You can see the direction of the power goes. You cannot re-loop them back in on themselves, apparently. You can short them out. Come on. Aha! I'm going to add one of these little bridge connectors right here to give it some more sturdiness. Little, they don't snap in, they kind of... Okay. It is far brighter once it's in a group. Not too shabby, I guess. Though far smaller than I really would have liked. Really, it's the size of them that annoys me the most. They're tiny. If they were like maybe an inch or more larger in size, like the diameter was twice as the size of what they are right now, I would definitely approve this far more for the price than what it is. I do like them. They're small though. That's my biggest issue. And you can see the little motion sensor in the middle, which does annoy me a little bit. I like the changing color one. I believe it's past the red right there. I felt like that was on the chain. I want to change this. There we go. This one. There we go. So, my overall thoughts on this: flimsy, too small, feels cheap, though the lighting is not that bad. they are fun to play with. But do I feel it's worth $80? $85 I paid for it? No, I don't think so. I would have liked a couple. I would have been okay with a couple less if they were bigger. It would have encouraged me to buy another box. So, do I want to spend another $80 to buy 10 more? $85 to buy 10 more? No, not really. I'm trying to light up my staircase. I would like to have a bunch of these. I want to bridge them. Like I could probably bust this in half. So if I had a couple more of these, I could have them kind of segmented in different groups and different patterns going up the staircase. And kids can walk down the staircase and just rub their hand across them and change the colors. So I'm going to have to battle with myself if I want to buy the same brand again to encourage myself to have more. I really hate the damn size. Look at that. They're like the size of a biscuit. Well, anyways, I'll leave it up to the viewers. This is what they look like.